Hey guys, Sean here, gonna explain to you how to answer this question correctly. So when we look at the second sentence here, its roots can be traced back to African musical traditions and it incorporates. Let's just make sure what it refers to. Its roots refers to jazz, so it could refer to jazz. It incorporates elements of American blues, ragtime, and brass band music. That works. So let's just make sure and look at these other choices as well. Look at answer choice Bravo. Now, incorporated, if it's a verb, it doesn't work because there's nothing to make it parallel with be traced back because it's not a series and there's no and to really make this parallel. And as a past participle, it doesn't really work because the things that are being incorporated are the American blues, ragtime, and brass band music. So it doesn't seem to work as a past participle because then it would modify either roots or traditions, so it doesn't work. Which incorporated, and I suspect a lot of you here might have chosen answer choice Charlie. Now, the problem with Charlie is which refers to traditions, but the traditions, if which is referring to traditions, then the traditions incorporated elements of American blues. That doesn't make sense because which is referring to African musical traditions. If they're African musical traditions, then how could they incorporate American blues if they're traditional African music? So Charlie doesn't really make semantic sense, right? So this tells us that this is kind of like a modifier, like a faulty modifier question because which is referring to the wrong thing. So we have to think about the semantic meaning of the sentence. And we see that the thing that's incorporating elements of American blues, ragtime, and brass band music, it's not the African musical traditions, but it's jazz. So that's why Charlie cannot work. Delta doesn't work because it would be an ambiguous modifier. Because of the comma before the blank, incorporating could either modify roots or African musical traditions. We want it to modify just jazz. So Alpha, that's your best answer. Got it?